Vatche Bartekian, president of Vantage BioTrials. We are a small niche CRO based in Canada. We actually do work in the US as well as Europe. We utilize strategic partners across North America and Europe to basically provide full service. So everything from protocol design development through to the project management, monitoring, and data services and medical monitoring, etc. Technology is definitely very important in this day and age, but it has to make sense for each individual organization, what type of technology they use and how it fits within their systems that are already existing. One thing that we've learned as a small organization is, and especially with the update to ICH E6 revision 3, it actually has a section in there that talks about systems validation and the responsibility of the sponsors, sites, and CROs to ensure that all the systems they're using are properly validated. So this brings into question, you can't just blindly accept any technology that anyone throws at you. You have to do your homework, and you have to make sure that the space the technology is working in, especially if it's accessing patient data, is validated, and you're not just trusting someone else telling you that it is. You have to do your homework as well. For a site, part of validation is the testing process, right? You have to kind of look at the basics of the system and see, are there any weak points and what could go wrong, and test it out and make sure that it doesn't go wrong. And hopefully then it could be validated for the needs that you're looking for. Now, how can a CRO help? Well, we actually have certain sites that have approached us just asking our opinion. They know that we use different systems on a regular basis, and how did we do it? And we have given them some advice on that. And that actually builds into the site relationship, building it and making sure that we are forming a partnership moving forward. Look, as a CRO, a lot of the misconceptions, I should say, is that we are very transactional, and in certain cases we are. We have to meet milestones and do certain services for the sponsor. But at the same time, at least for us, we see the investment of time that is beneficial to contact sites on a regular basis, even if we haven't been working with them for a while or have never worked with them, just putting our finger on the pulse to see who's out there, what they're doing, and what they're capable of. And at the same time, invest that time to make sure that they understand what we need and what potentially our sponsors need. And for us, it's a matter of keeping that discussion going, because when you need someone, you don't want to spend the time at the last minute doing that, right? So that's part of the process.